Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Resolve Fusion to create light streaks and streaky motion. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To update Resolve Fusion for creating light streaks and streaky motion, start by launching DaVinci Resolve on. Navigate to the Fusion page by clicking on the Fusion tab at the bottom of the screen. Import the footage you want to work with by dragging it into the media pool. Right-click on the footage and select New Fusion Clip to begin working in Fusion. Once in the Fusion workspace, locate the Media In node, which represents your video input. To create light streaks, add a timespeed node by right-clicking in the node area and selecting Add Tool, then Time, and finally Timespeed. Connect the Media In node to the Timespeed node by dragging from the output of Media In to the input of Timespeed. Adjust the timespeed settings to create the desired motion effect. Next, add a Transform node to manipulate the positioning of the streaks. Connect the output of timespeed to the input of the Transform node. In the Transform node settings, experiment with the center controls to create streaks that effectively follow the motion in your footage. To enhance the light streak effect, add a Glow node by right-clicking, selecting Add Tool, then Effect, and choosing Glow. Connect the output of the Transform node to the Glow node. Adjust glow settings, including size and intensity, for a more pronounced effect. Next, create a Merge node to blend your effects together. Right-click, select Add Tool, then Composite, and choose Merge. Connect the output of the Glow node to the foreground input of the Merge node. For the background input of the Merge node, connect it to your original Media In node. Fine-tune the blend settings within the Merge node to achieve your desired look. Once satisfied with the effects, click on the Media Ob node to view how it all comes together. Lastly, return to the Edit page by clicking on the Edit tab to preview your finalized result in the timeline. Render your project to apply the effects permanently by navigating to the Delivery page. Save your project and export it in your preferred format to complete the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.